A boat is traveling at a speed of 30 miles per hour. What is the boat's speed in feet per second? Note 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So we're going to think of this as a fraction. 30 miles per hour, per 1 hour. And we want to convert this to feet per second. And we have some conversions. We know how many miles in an hour, and we know how many minutes, we know how many miles in a feet in a mile, good grief. We also know how many minutes in an hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. And we know how many seconds in a minute. There's 60 of those as well. So there might be some shortcuts we can take, but we're not going to take them right now. I'm going to convert miles to feet. And the way I'm going to do that is by multiplying by a fraction. And this fraction ultimately is just 1, really, because 1 mile is the same thing as 5,280 feet. So this fraction I wrote here is just 1, but it's 1 in a special way, so that I wrote it this way so that miles on top here would cancel with miles on bottom. And if I multiply across the top, I'm going to get feet per hour. Okay, so I've converted to feet. Now I need to convert from hours to seconds. So I know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So I put hours on top so that it would cancel with hours on bottom here. And if I did the math now, I would get feet on top and minutes on bottom. That's feet per minute. Now if I keep on multiplying, I need to take 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And I put minutes on top because I want minutes to cancel with minutes on bottom. Now if I multiply across the top, I'm going to get feet. And if I multiply across the bottom, my units will be seconds. And that's the answer I want. I want it in feet per second. Okay, now I can just multiply across the top and then multiply across the bottom, and that will be my answer. So 30 times 5,280 times 1 times 1. Please don't multiply 1 and 1 in your calculator. That you don't have to do that. That's going to be 158,400. And across the bottom, it's 1 times 1. And again, please don't multiply that in your calculator and waste your time. That's going to be 3,600. So we can just take 158,400, divided by 3,600. And I'm going to get 44 feet per second. 44 is H. H is the answer I have. Excellent work.